Hi and welcome to the 16th day in this Get More Energy in 30-day challenge. I hope you're not feeling too put down and drained from the exercise yesterday. I actually came to think about if it was right of me to split these two exercises apart. It wasn't because I wanted you to feel bad, so I hope that you can forgive me for that. I also forgot to tell you about the boxes that you see in the back of my room. If you can see, I can just, you know, you can see there's a lot of boxes here. And it's actually because, if you didn't know, I'm planning to move. I'm getting the keys to my new house this weekend. So I'm really excited and looking forward to that. And speaking about excited, the exercise for today is about being excited. It's about I have a dog. You can hear it. And speaking about being excited, the exercise for today is actually getting a hold of that excitement and finding out how you can move in that direction so that your life keeps getting more and more exciting and that you know you're on your right track. So it's the yes part of the GPS system that we started yesterday. So I want you to once again go and grab a piece of paper and a pen, and I want you to jot down a few things. The first thing that I want you to jot down is the three things that can always get you moving. You know, always motivate you to get started. For me, that could be like playing a computer game. At least when I was younger, I did that a lot, and I still, you know, I have a bit of a computer nerd, so you can still get me, if somebody calls and asks me if I want to do a computer game, I'm easily persuaded. Also, you know, maybe creating a fun video or something, that is also something I would do. Okay, and then I want you to put down 3 times where your energy and your health has just been on top, you know, what happened in your life at that point. And put down 3 pieces of 3 kinds of information that you just don't put any effort into remembering. You just, you know, like me doing websites, I know HTML code. Other people like get headaches from that. But I can do it standing on my head. So then 3 types of things that you can do that makes you kind of forget about time. Like me, when I create a new product or create websites, I just, you know, suddenly hours have passed by. Then I want you to put down 3 people that makes you feel alive and full of joy and happiness and caring, and, you know, and 3 times that you have felt strangely attracted to a person or a thing or an activity. And the last thing that I want you to put down is 3 times where you've been recently in just really good mood and you actually didn't know why. But think about what happened at that time. Why were you in such a good mood? And now we come to the part where we put it into a story. So now I want you to picture this. I want you to first put down the most energetically, I want you to circle for the 7th point that we just filled, the 7 steps. I want you to circle the most energetic and most enjoyable of all steps in each of them, and then I want you to put down the most energetically filled activity that you can do, and the person that makes you feel the most relaxed, the best health situation that you have ever had and what was going on in your life at that time, the kind of information that you remember the very best, the activity that makes you forget about time the most, and the thing that, you know, you got most attracted to, and last but not least, the situation where you recently was in your best mood. And then we're going to do the same thing as we did yesterday. So I encourage you to write this down and record it while you tell the story. And then after that, sit down and relax with your eyes closed and listen to yourself. But otherwise, no, I'll go do the exercise now. So, it's a beautiful day. The air is clear and all of the countryside is just beaming, and you're out to go to the most exciting and most energetically activity that you know of. And you're with the person that makes you feel the most relaxed. You don't have any responsibilities, no deadlines, there's no trouble, and you just feel good, and in fact you feel on top of your game exactly like you did when you had your best time of your life. You're in a good shape, your body is slim and robust and full of energy, and you're having a really nice conversation about the information that you love the most. And then there is a message for you. It's a letter from the government telling you that you've been chosen to get lifelong economical support for doing what you do the best when you forget about time at all. So you're going to get supported financially doing that. And that will require you spending a lot of time with the thing that you feel most attracted to. And you're having such a good time as exactly when you had your best mood recently. So you just lean back and relax and enjoy that this is the way that you're going to spend the rest of your life. Now, that was completely different than the exercise from yesterday, won't you agree? This is the kind of mood and the kind of energy that you should be living in all the time. This is your yes on your GPS. When you're in this mood, you know you are definitely on the right track. And even all the small steps here, each and every one will point you in the right direction. But this is the energy that you should be living in. Yesterday when we talked about when to do the U-turn, it's because that energy drained you and just put you down. And when you make that U-turn, you will get to this kind of energy where you're just upbeat and you're just full of hope and joy and relaxed and not a care in the world. And that's the energy that you want to go for. So now you have your GPS system, and for the rest of the week we're going to use this to start creating what it is that we really want to create in our lives. So you can create what you want in your life. So I look forward to that, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Bye for now.